Welcome to ShieldFlow, the only Shopify app that blocks fraud before checkout, not after. Let's take a complete tour of every feature. Here's your dashboard, the command center showing exactly how much fraud has been stopped. At the top, your key metrics update in real time. Total fraud, prevented in dollars, checkout screened, block rate, and your protection rate. Below that, you can see today's activity, including bot traffic percentage and the last attack timestamp. Scroll down to the 7-day trend chart with spike callouts. The blue line shows total checkouts, green shows passed, and red shows blocked. You can clearly see attack patterns and how ShieldFlow handled them. There's also a mini VAMP widget showing your current payment health ratio. Now let's look at the protection log, a full audit trail of every checkout ShieldFlow evaluated. You can search by email or IP and filter by verdict, score range, or time. The summary bar shows total blocked, warned, and allowed counts at a glance. Each event shows the email, risk score, verdict badge, cart value, and which rules triggered, like missing fingerprint, disposable email, or bot detected. Expand any row to see full details, IP address, country, fingerprint hash, and form fill time. You can take action directly from the log. Mark an event as safe to whitelist the customer or block entity to permanently add the email, IP, or fingerprint to your block list. Bulk actions let you process multiple events at once. Here are the detection rules, 28 rules organized in 6 groups. 14 built-in rules are always active. 14 advanced rules unlock on starter plan and above. Let's walk through them. Bot and automation rules catch headless browsers, honeypot triggers, and instant form fills. Rate-limiting rules stop IP flooding, fingerprint abuse, and classic card testing patterns, where bots test stolen cards with different emails from the same IP. Email and identity rules flag disposable emails, random pattern addresses, and repeat offenders. Geographic rules detect VPNs, TOR exit nodes, shipping mismatches, and odd-hour checkouts. Each rule has a configurable score. Toggle it on or off with one click. Rules don't compete, they compound. The highest scoring rule sets the base, and additional signals add 50% of their score. So multiple weak signals together can escalate to a block. The threshold is fully adjustable. Default is 80 to block, 40 to warn. Custom rules lets you build your own fraud rules. No code needed. Block a specific email domain, an IP address, a country, or set value-based conditions. Multiple conditions per rule with AND logic. Configurable score and action. Templates are included to get you started. Block email domain, block specific IP, warn on high-value carts, and block cheap item abuse. You can create up to 3 custom rules on Starter and unlimited on Pro. Now the feature no other fraud app has, Payment Health, powered by the exclusive VAMP Monitor. This tracks your Visa dispute ratio in real time, calculated as total disputes divided by Shopify payments orders over 30 days. The gauge shows your current ratio with 4 color-coded zones, safe below 0.5%, monitor up to 0.7, warning up to 0.9, and danger above that. Visa's excessive threshold is 1.5%. ShieldFlow alerts you by email when your zone changes. Below the gauge, you see a 30-day trend chart, a projection showing when you might reach danger at the current rate, and an open disputes table with deadline countdowns. This is the early warning system that protects your Shopify Payments account from suspension. The review queue shows orders flagged with a warn verdict. Each order's fulfillment is automatically held until you decide. You see the email, score, cart value, country, and which rules triggered. One click to approve, the hold is released and the order ships. One click to reject. The order is canceled, payment is refunded, and inventory is restocked. Stats at the top show pending, approved today, and rejected today. Analytics gives you a deep dive into your store's threat landscape. Time range selector for 7, 30, or 90 days. Stacked bar chart showing blocked versus passed over time. Top attack source IPs with country. Rule effectiveness showing which rules trigger most. Scroll down for email intelligence. Top blocked emails and domains. Visitor analytics showing human versus bot traffic ratio, with a breakdown of which bot signals were detected most. This helps you understand exactly what's attacking your store. The Blocklist page has 3 tabs: Blocklist for permanently blocked entities, Auto blocks for IP addresses automatically blocked by ShieldFlow with 24-hour expiry, and whitelist for customers you've marked as safe. They always pass through. Add entries with auto-type detection. Paste an email and it auto-selects email type. You can also add IPs, domains, and fingerprints. Each entry shows a hit counter, how many times that entity was encountered. In Settings, configure your auto actions. What happens when a checkout is blocked? Auto-cancel the order, clean the customer profile, and the unique email list cleanup. Automatically remove fake emails from Klaviyo, MailChimp, OmniSend, or Shopify email. Email list cleanup is unique to ShieldFlow. No other fraud app does this. When a bot signs up and gets blocked, ShieldFlow removes that fake profile from your marketing platforms automatically. You stop paying for bot subscribers. Configure email notifications for zone changes, daily reports, and high-severity events. You can also manage your blocking threshold and scoring sensitivity from here. That's ShieldFlow. 28 detection rules, real-time VAMP monitoring, auto-cancel and email cleanup, custom rules, Shopify Flow integration, and the most comprehensive fraud protection available on Shopify. Install free from the Shopify App Store and protect your store today.